Did you know that avocados are often referred to as nature's butter due to their creamy texture and rich flavor? If you want to indulge in a delicious and nutritious treat, look no further than this beloved fruit. These nutrient-packed fruits have been cherished for centuries not only for their culinary versatility but also for their remarkable health benefits. Today, we're diving deep into the world of avocados to uncover the incredible impact they can have on our bodies when consumed daily. So, if you want to discover the secrets behind this superfood, buckle up and join us on this enlightening journey. Number 1. Fresh breath and oral health. When it comes to maintaining fresh breath and a healthy smile, avocados are more than just a trendy toast topping, they're a powerhouse of oral health benefits. Rich in antibacterial compounds, such as polyphenol and flavonoids, the natural agents in avocados work tirelessly to combat the buildup of harmful bacteria in your mouth, which is often the root cause of bad breath and dental issues like plaque and gum disease. Studies have shown that avocados may also play a role in oral cancer prevention, thanks to their abundance of antioxidants. These powerful molecules help protect your cells from damage and even prevent the development of precancerous lesions in the mouth. By making avocados a regular part of your diet, you're taking proactive steps to ensure fresher breath, healthier gums, and a brighter smile. Number 2. Heart health and cholesterol. Avocados are a key player in keeping your heart healthy, especially when it comes to managing cholesterol levels. High cholesterol poses a serious risk for heart disease, so it's crucial to keep it in check. Luckily, avocados offer a simple yet powerful solution. They're packed with nutrients that have been proven to positively affect cholesterol. One standout is their abundance of monounsaturated fats, which are great for lowering LDL cholesterol, the kind that's not so good for your heart. Plus, avocados are loaded with fiber, which adds to their cholesterol-lowering power. Fiber works by reducing how much cholesterol your body absorbs, helping to flush it out. Studies consistently show that eating avocados can lead to significant drops in LDL cholesterol and overall improvements in heart health markers. So, whether you're spreading avocado on toast, blending it into smoothies, or tossing it in salads, know you're making a heart-smart choice. Number 3. Liver function and antioxidants. The liver acts like a control center in your body, managing important tasks like detoxification, metabolism, and storing nutrients. Keeping your liver healthy is crucial for overall well-being and long-term health. Avocados can be a great support for your liver, thanks to their rich antioxidant and nutrient content. One important component is glutathione, which is a strong antioxidant that helps the liver detoxify and defend against harmful stuff. They are also rich in vitamin C and E, both of which are known to support liver health. Vitamin C fights off harmful molecules called free radicals, which can stress out your liver. And vitamin E works alongside vitamin C to protect the liver from damage and inflammation. Number 4. Blood pressure regulation. Avocados are packed with potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure by balancing fluid levels in the body. This balance is essential for ensuring that blood pressure remains within a healthy range, reducing the risk of hypertension and its associated complications. Studies have shown that a potassium-rich diet, which includes avocados, can lead to significant reductions in blood pressure levels. By promoting the excretion of excess sodium and relaxing blood vessel walls, potassium helps to lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. Number 5. Eye health and vision. The carotenoids found in avocados, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, are crucial for maintaining sharp eyesight. These nutrients hang out in your retina, which is the part of your eye that's sensitive to light, and shield it from damage caused by harmful blue light and stress. Research shows that munching on foods high in lutein and zeaxanthin, like avocados, can lower your chances of getting age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, which are big causes of vision problems and blindness worldwide. So, adding avocados to your meals can help protect your eyes and keep them healthy for the long haul. In addition to their antioxidant properties, avocados also give you a good dose of vitamin E, which helps keep your eye cells safe from damage by free radicals. This further reduces your risk of eye conditions like AMD and cataracts. Number 6. Kidney health and potassium. Let's talk about how avocados can help keep your kidneys healthy. Your kidneys do a big job. They filter waste and extra fluids from your blood to make urine. They also balance electrolytes, keep your fluids in check, and make hormones that help with blood cell production and blood pressure. A key player in this support is potassium, a mineral that's super important for your kidneys to work well. Avocados have a lot of potassium, which helps balance fluids by acting like an electrolyte. This balance is crucial for your kidneys to filter and get rid of waste while keeping important nutrients. If you have kidney problems, avocados can still be helpful. But if you have high potassium levels in your blood, hyperkalemia, be careful with how much avocado you eat. It's smart to talk to your doctor for advice tailored to you. Number 7. Cancer prevention. Avocados are a superfood when it comes to fighting cancer. They have a special mix of light carotenoids, healthy fats, and other good-for-you compounds. These substances work together to prevent cancer cells from growing and even induce self-destruction through a process called apoptosis, akin to hitting a stop button for harmful cells. Studies suggest that avocados might lower the risk of different cancers like breast, prostate, and oral cancer. The plant chemicals in avocados can kickstart apoptosis in cancer cells, stopping them from spreading and reducing the chance of tumors forming. Plus, the healthy fats in avocados can calm down inflammation, which is linked to cancer growth. So, adding avocados to your diet could help keep cancer at bay and keep you healthier overall. Number 8. Weight management. Struggling to lose weight? Avocados can help. Despite being known for their fat content, they can actually assist in managing weight and even promoting weight loss. One big reason is their fiber. Avocados are rich in fiber, making you feel full and satisfied. In a single avocado, you'll find approximately 13.5 grams of fiber, nearly meeting half of the daily recommendation of 28 to 34 grams per day. By keeping you feeling fuller for longer, they can help stop you from eating too much and cut down on overall calories. Plus, the fats in avocados are mostly the good kind, called monounsaturated fats. These fats are more satisfying than carbs and can help control hunger and cravings, making it easier to stick to a diet with fewer calories. Studies have found that adding avocados to a balanced diet can lead to improvements in weight and body shape. In one study, people who ate avocados regularly lost weight, reduced their BMI, and trimmed their waistline more than those who didn't eat avocados. On top of that, avocados are packed with nutrients, like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This makes them a great addition to any plan for losing or managing weight. Number 9. Skin health and radiance. Get ready for a radiant glow. With their abundance of skin-loving nutrients, avocados are like a natural beauty boost from the inside out. First up, there's vitamin E. It's a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from damage caused by factors such as sunlight and pollution. Vitamin E also helps keep your skin hydrated and calm, which is great if you have dry or sensitive skin. Then there's vitamin C, another antioxidant that's important for making collagen. Collagen is like the scaffolding that holds your skin up, keeping it firm and bouncy. So, more collagen means fewer wrinkles and lines. And let's not forget about the healthy fats in avocados. They help keep your skin nice and moist by protecting its natural barrier. That means no more dryness or irritation, just soft, smooth skin. Additionally, avocados have biotin, a vitamin that's all about making your skin, hair, and nails strong and healthy. It helps your skin cells grow and repair, leaving you with a fresh, youthful glow. Number 10. Brain health and cognitive function. Need a mental pick-me-up? Avocados aren't just delicious, they also keep your brain in top shape. Their rich content of monounsaturated fat is key, enhancing brain function and reducing the risk of cognitive decline as you get older. They are also loaded with vitamins and minerals that your brain loves, like vitamin K, folate, and vitamin C. These nutrients help your brain send messages, remember things, and think clearly. The antioxidants, like lutein and zeaxanthin, help protect your brain from damage caused by stress and inflammation. This can lower the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Studies even show that eating avocados regularly can make your memory better, help you focus, and solve problems easier. In one study, older folks who ate an avocado every day for 6 months saw big improvements in how their brains worked compared to those who didn't eat avocados. Number 11. Digestive Health. Let's explore how avocados can keep your digestive system in top shape. Avocados are loaded with fiber. A single avocado packs about 13.5 grams. Fiber is crucial for digestion because it bulks up your stool, keeps your bathroom visits regular, and prevents constipation. What's neat is that avocados contain both types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber turns into a gel in your stomach, slowing digestion and keeping you feeling full. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, helping it move through your system smoothly. But here's the kicker: avocados also have polyols, which act as fuel for the good bacteria in your gut. These bacteria maintain a healthy balance in your digestive tract. And incorporating avocados into your meals is a breeze. Toss them in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or use them as a tasty dip or spread. In short, avocados are an awesome addition to any diet, bringing a bunch of health perks. They help your heart, manage your weight, give you nice skin, and boost your immune system. They're like a superhero of nutrition. So, next time you're at the store or planning meals, grab some avocados. Whether you're putting them on toast, making guac, or blending them into smoothies, avocados are a yummy and healthy option. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with others. Thank you for tuning into Inner Health Zone. We'll be back for more health and wellness content, so stay tuned.